Hi, you're watching our series on challenges in everyday communication. Today, we're talking about something we all deal with, managing money. But for people with aphasia, this everyday task can be especially challenging. Let's learn how to make it easier. I'm Alex, Lingraphica's consumer education specialist and a speech language pathologist. First, let's talk about what aphasia is. Aphasia is a language disorder that can affect your ability to speak, understand, read, or write. Aphasia impacts language, not intelligence, and it often happens after a stroke or a brain injury. Common challenges. Let's look at some common challenges people with aphasia might face when handling money. Understanding bills, talking to bank staff, using online banking, and shopping at the store can all be difficult. Understanding bills. Reading and understanding bills can be hard. The words and numbers might be confusing, hard to process, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the information. Talking to bank staff. Explaining your needs or understanding what the bank staff is trying to say can be tough, and this might even make you feel a little nervous or unsure. Using online banking. Using online banking tools can be challenging. It might be a little hard to navigate the website or app, or to use the correct numbers to complete a transaction. Shopping at the store. Keeping track of your change, speaking to the cashier, or others online, maybe you need to ask for help, or making sure you're paying the correct amount can become difficult with aphasia. Strategies. Here are some strategies to help people with aphasia manage your money more easily. Use AAC. You can bring a communication board to point to important words or phrases, or use a communication device that will speak words or phrases for you. Prepare and practice for bank visits. Before going to the bank or store, write down key points or questions. Practice saying or recognizing keywords related to money, like bill, pay, save, and account. This can make conversations about money smoother. Advocate and ask for help. It's okay to ask a caregiver or trusted friend or family member to help with managing your finances. They can assist you in reading bills, making payments, and understanding bank information. Don't forget to advocate for yourself in the community by carrying your aphasia ID card or telling people that you have aphasia. Lingraphica's resources. Lingraphica has several resources that can help you talk about money and communicate more effectively. Communication boards. Our communication boards have pictures, simple words, letters, and numbers that you can use to talk about money. These boards can be especially helpful when you're at the store or bank. Communication devices. Lingraphica offers devices that help you express yourself more clearly. These devices can be customized with images, words, and phrases related to money, making it easier to talk about and use numbers. Aphasia community. Our online aphasia community is a great place to learn more about aphasia, share your aphasia story, and download educational resources. Virtual connections. Through virtual connections, you can join live online support sessions where you can practice communication skills, connect with others, and find support from those who understand exactly what you're going through. We even have math-themed sessions. It's a safe space to learn and grow. Remember, understanding numbers and managing money with aphasia can be challenging, but you don't have to navigate your aphasia journey alone. Lingraphica is here to support you with the tools and the resources that you need. Check the caption to visit our website and learn more about how we can help. Thanks for watching.